Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Ignore that. Yeah, so today I'm gonna be making some mac and cheese, as you can see by the thing that I'm gesturing at, which is nothing. So let's get started with that. I'm making mac and cheese! Things you will need include pasta, some shredded cheese. I like to use this triple cheddar. You will also need full fat milk. Preferably not expired. Milk. Now let's talk about quantities. You will want exactly 1 cup of elbow macaroni. Oh, by the way, I'm a British American, so apologies in advance. Oh yeah, and you'll also need exactly 1 cup of this. And a 1/3 cup of milk. Do note that these proportions do scale. So if you were making 3 cups of this mac and cheese, you could make 3 cups of pasta, measure out 3 cups of cheese, and then use 1 cup of milk. Now let's boil some heckin' water. Yeah, grab like a medium-sized pot and just fill it with water. Cold water is best. You don't want that salt from the water heater. Now we will salt this water. Do this to taste, but I recommend you make it moderately salty. Now turn up the heat and let it boil. Why don't we measure I like to measure a little bit under just to make things a bit more cheesy. That's not a little bit under, that's a lot under. Let's fix that. There. Be sure to put your ingredients away when you're finished with them. Otherwise you would make a mess. Oh, hi, Luca. Okay, now it's time to watch the water boil. Alright, once you have your water to a roiling boiling, put the pasta in and lower the temperature. I won't tell you how to cook your pasta, but just make it nice. Okay, so while this is boiling, let's measure out the rest of the crapola. Yes, use a bowl to measure the cheese, because otherwise it will get everywhere. Just like sand. Don't like that! Now just like compress it. Like your favorite zip file. To measure the milk, use a liquid measuring cup when you're measuring the milk. Make sure to savor the pouring. Just slowly pour it. Oh yeah, I also forgot. You'll need butter. Ignore these butter dog with the butter. What are you doing with the butter on his head? Dog with the butter. Alright, this pasta's probably done. Grab your nearest colander, put it in the gosh shucky darn sink, and avoid a collision with your brother. And pour that stuff in, man. Yeah. It's a colander! Okay, now we got some dank macaroni ready to be slathered in butter. For the butter, just like, I'd say a tablespoon per cup of pasta. That's probably fine. Yeah, okay, now just like stir that stuff till it's all melted. Once all of your butter is melted, pour the milk in. And now heat it until it's like about to boil. And that's what I like to do, because otherwise the cheese doesn't melt and it gets all gross and stringy and bleh. Oh yeah, it's also best to stir while it's heating. Oh man, mac and cheese, hit it! And now once it's like steaming, it's steaming mad. Turn down the temperature, keep it reasonably high, and then put... Yeah, congrats. Congratulations to you if you enjoy making me watch mac and cheese. Mix that. And basically once all the cheese is melted, take it off the burner and heckin' serve that stuff.
Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs.
But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this poorly recorded and edited tutorial video on how to make some homemade mac and cheese. If you actually follow this tutorial, please let me know how it goes. Help me debug this recipe. Thanks, bye.
Oli märkänä jokaisella ja viulu se vonku ja voivotti saa.